guys, welcome and or welcome back to the channel. Today we're stuffing another $30. I am starting to get discouraged. I almost could not make enough money for this challenge, and I was like not stressed out about it, but I was kind of like, you know what, if I can't even afford $30 to save, like I need to have another stream of income. So I have been looking around and doing other things, whatever, for this to see if I can, not on top of Uber and my 9 to 5, see what other things I can do on the weekends, maybe. So with that, let's go ahead and get this out. We only have 2 challenges. I still brought the $30. Hopefully we can get somewhere with that 30. I'm gonna put these up here, but I do have to break down the 3 10s that I have. So let's go ahead and get started. If y'all are new here, my name is Cassie J. I'm trying to be debt free within 4 months by September. I have a lot of stress that is, building up, that, trying to get this done by a certain goal. And I'm also trying to travel. The last travel would be, in June, which is the last graduation. And so I am not planning on traveling again. So the next savings challenges we'll be doing is for my birthday, if I'm able to do for his birthday, because like I said, I'm only going to save as much as I can. And if it doesn't meet where I need to meet, wherever I'm at the time that I need to pull the money, that's what I'm going to spend. And if the challenges are not finished, they're just not finished. But I'm going to try to stay motivated to every Friday, like I am now, to stuff something to it to see if I can get something to this gathering for a barbecue and whenever I move. Hopefully I'm able to have a backyard. If I have an apartment or a townhouse, I'm gonna be so sad, but I'm still gonna have to get something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So the rest goes back in. Ooh, some of these dollars are ugly. All right. Let's go ahead and damn. We wanted to do a 10 on here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was damn. 1, 2, 3. I'm still shocked. And it was like the little slap of the card, right? Like, yo, you came in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and 1. All right. So because we're able to color 1, at least, let's see if we can get 2. And then did we have any in the front? We did. I was thinking about going to get my nails done. I've had these for a while and my nails are growing really slow. Like I've had these for over a month and it's barely even having like the new growth on it. I don't even know if y'all can actually tell, but they're to the point to where I was thinking about getting the white tips back and have something clear. I'm not sure. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. Okay, so let's do 2 of these. Is it 24? How many is actually supposed to be in here? But I feel like that's an off number, isn't it? Oh, 32. Let's count it anyways. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so 132. Okay, so we have 10, 25, 26, 10, 15, 16, 17. So colored in is 84 minus 132. We need 48 plus 132, 84. So we have 10, 20, 30, 5, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 30, 30, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88. Yeah, because there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That needs to be folded. Perfect. Wow. This is cool. I never really do savings challenges, and whenever I do, I kind of just stop. I get so like discouraged or not motivated, and I just quit and move on. But actually seeing these and then having it completed actually is really fun. So I can see why y'all stay motivated, because the end game is the end game that actually is very motivating to keep going. And this one said that I needed how many? Minus 132, $48. 48. I said that out loud and I just immediately was like, okay, that's a lot, bitch. That was a lot more than what I thought you were going to say. All right, so this one I am not going to color. I'm not going to count because I wanted to see how much it was going to be at the end. And I kind of wanted to do like a whole count of the way I did this one, but at the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We can mark it. Oh, we already did. Yeah, I was excited to mark out the 14 again. We can mark out the 14. All right, so this one is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 2, so we have to have 2 folded. 12, 13. So 1 folded. And then that's going to have us 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 left. Oh, we are so close. What? Okay, put this in the back and then the $1 here in the front. Okay, this makes me want to go get some more money, y'all. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to skip a week. This next week is supposed to be for the rent, and so I am trying to make sure rent is good, and I'm back on track with all those things, whatever. So we'll see next week if I'm able to. If not, I'll try to put more than $30, or save as much as I can or whatever. Even if it's not 60 for 2 weeks, it's something. So right now we need, oh my gosh, $48 plus, what was this one? 7, 3, 7, 14, $62. That's 2 weeks. That's 2 more weeks, y'all. I'm so close. Okay, let's see. I told myself I wasn't gonna do it because I just, rent is more important than trying to finish these challenges. And now I'm like, hold on, wait. All right. Okay, calm down. We need to see what we have first. Okay, but I will definitely be back next week. Even if I'm stuffing $10, that's better than nothing. But yeah, I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye, guys.